Samantha Ruth Prabhu has these beautiful, gorgeous eyes, and I saw this glam look and I decided to try it. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started. In this look, her brows are pretty filled in, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in the shade dark brown. To hold the brows in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. And to create a smooth base for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Kosas Revealer Concealer in the shade 07 Tan. Going in with the Pat McGrath Glide Eye Pencil in the shade Black Coffee, I'm going to be using this to create some smokiness on the upper lash line. And now going in with a brush from the Morphe Ariel collection, which is A7, I'm blending that out. Using the brown shade from the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership palette and with the E42 brush, I'm going to be setting the eyeliner in place. Start off from the lash line, moving slightly upwards. You want to blend that shade into your skin tone. You can also use fingers to diffuse it out further. With the same brown shade and with a fluffy brush, let's define the eyes slightly. Apply this in the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye. Now we need a very precise brush like the Jessup E05, and going in with the black shade, let us line the upper lash line. This is a must-have brush, trust me. Back in with our fluffy brush, blend that out into the skin tone. We're going to be using this bronzy shade, and with our fingers, let's apply that on the eyelid. And back in with our brown shade and a fluffy brush, blend that out into each other. Now with this duochrome shade and with the Refer O2 brush, let's precisely apply that to the center of the lid. Back in with our brown shade and with a more precise brush, apply that to the lower lash line. With our bronze shade again, let's apply that with a flat brush from the inner corner moving outwards. With a Maybelline Tattoo Liner, let's apply this onto the waterline. And back in with our brown shade and black mixed together, apply that precisely to the outer V and the inner corner of the eye. Your eyes will look something like this. Don't forget to curl your lashes. And with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, let's apply that to the bottom lashes first if you'd like. And then proceed to the upper lashes. And this is Samantha's Smokey Glam eye look. If you liked it, please really hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.